Moin und willkommen bei Glift. Ich bin Dan Ehren Lützeburgischen Sprachcoach von glift.lu. Hier ist Woche Lektion Nummer 3 vom Programm Leia sehr Lützeburgisch mit Kurzlektionen. Hi and welcome by Glift. I'm Anne, your Luxembourgish language coach from glift.lu. This is lesson number 3 of my course Learn Luxembourgish Fast with Short Lessons. In today's lesson, we are going to learn how to use correctly the English word for when. When can be expressed in Luxembourgish by 3 different words: wanneer, wann, and wij. These 3 words are very confusing for most students learning Luxembourgish, so I will help you to understand how and when to use wanneer, wann, and wij. So let's get started. Wanneer is a question word related to time. It asks or relates to the question when in English. 2 situations call out for wanneer. First one is use wanneer when you want to ask a question. Examples. Example 1. Wanneer fährst du an die Vakanz? Wanneer fährst du an die Vakanz? When do you go on holidays? Example number 2. Wanneer hast du Congé? Wanneer hast du Congé? When are you on leave? The last example, seit wanneer. Seit wanneer means since when. So, seit wanneer wohnst du an der Stadt? Since when have you been living in Luxembourg City? Just note here that in Luxembourgish we stay in the present. So we say seit wanneer wohnst du an der Stadt? The second situation when we use wanneer is use wanneer when you are not sure what someone is doing or when someone or something is arriving. In a statement such as I don't know when the train is arriving, you might say ich weiß nicht wanneer den Zug kommt. Here are some examples. Ich weiß nicht wanneer der Nachbar plündert. I don't know when the neighbor is moving. Or, wir wissen noch nicht, wanneer wir an die Vakanz gehen. We still don't know when we go on holidays. So these are the 2 situations when you use wanneer. In a question word, so it's a question word, or when you don't know what someone is doing or what something, when something is arriving. Wann. So wann translates most of the time also in when, but the difference with wanneer is that wann is not a question word. Wann is a conjunction. Wann has several uses in Luxembourgish, and I will cover in this lesson the 4 most common uses of wann. Number 1. Wann meaning in case of or if. Example. Wann het regent, blijven ich daheim. Wann het regent, blijven ich daheim. If it rains, I stay at home. Or in case it rains, I stay at home. You can also say ich blijven daheim, wann het regent. But if you start the sentence with wann het regent, then in the second part of your sentence you must first use the verb and then the subject. So if you start your sentence wann het regent, you must continue with blijven ich and not ich blijven. Let's take another example. Sot mir Bescheid, wann dir op Besuch kommt. Sot mir Bescheid, wann dir op Besuch kommt. Tell me when you are coming to visit us. Number 2. Wann meaning when or while in English. In these two examples, you will say that you can say also während. Während also literally translates into while. Examples. Daheim as tolle aus, wann wir essen. Daheim as tolle aus, wann wir essen. At home, the TV is off when we are eating. So you see here you can translate wann as well with a while. Another example, wann ich kochen, lauschen ich de Radio. Wann ich kochen, lauschen ich de Radio. When I'm cooking, I listen to the radio. The third situation with wann. Wann meaning when, but as soon as in English. Examples. Ich gehe bei den Doktor, wann ich krank bin. Ich gehe bei den Doktor, wann ich krank bin. I go to the doctor when I'm sick. So you see, here you can translate this literally by I go to the doctor as soon as I'm sick. So mir Bescheid, wann's du fortgehst. So mir Bescheid, wann's du fortgehst. Tell me when or tell me as soon as possible as you are leaving. And the last usage of wann, so wann is also used in wish phrases. For example, wann ich pensioniert bin, dann mache ich ein Weltreise. Wann ich pensioniert bin, dann mache ich ein Weltreise. So, when I'm retired, I'll do a world trip. You can also say the sentence like this: Ich mache ein Weltreise, wann ich pensioniert bin. That's okay as well. Another example: Wann ich einen Hund hat, gehe ich nicht mehr so oft an die Vakanz fuhren. Wann ich einen Hund hat, gehe ich nicht mehr so oft an die Vakanz fuhren. Here in this sentence is also a wish sentence, but you have to use the subjunctive. If I had a dog, I would not go anymore so often on holidays. And now we will see the last word, the they. So when do you use they? In a sentence expressed in the past tense, wann is replaced by the word they. Examples. Weil ich jung war, sind ich immer bei meinem Boma an die Vakanz gegangen. Weil ich jung war, sind ich immer bei meinem Boom an die Vakanz gegangen. So when I was young, I always went to my grandmother on holidays. So as you can see here, this sentence is in the past tense, so weil ich jung war, then you must say weil and not wann ich jung war. The second example, es war schon spät, weil ich gestern heimgekommen bin. Es war schon spät, weil ich gestern heimgekommen bin. It was already late when I came home yesterday. This sentence is as well in the past, so you don't say wann, but you say weil. So, that was it for today's lesson. In the description of the lesson below this video, you can download a worksheet so to exercise what you have learned in this lesson. If you want to improve your vocabulary, you have a lot more ways to express yourself in Luxembourgish. You will be able to say exactly what you want. Sometimes, students ask me for a list of the most common words in Luxembourgish, but I don't think that memorizing lists is the best way to study. Instead, you should learn words in context. What's even more important is to practice the new words so that you don't forget them. In my online course, Lützeburgisch am Alldach, Lauschte a Schwätz, you will learn spoken Luxembourgish, practice your listening, and improve your vocabulary and pronunciation. So if you want to improve your speaking and listening skills, you can go on my website www.glift.lu, and under courses you can find all my online courses I offer. So this online course, Lützeburg am Alltag, includes an exercise, a listening comprehension test, and useful vocabulary in context to help these words to stay in your memory. And also on my website you can ask for a free trial lesson. So, Schluss für heute. That's all for today. Bis nächste Woche. Until next week. Merci an Eddie.